long Nessa. Let's open Labubu. My daughter bought it for me, Labubu. Let's see what kinds inside. I heard they're not the same. They're from hot mod. Oh wow, so cute, so cute, Labubu. People love Labubu. Labubu, you're so cute. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, it's green. I got another green Labubu. It's a the monster. What's that mean? The monster. So are you Labubu or you monster? I don't know. But anyway, I got me a purple corn. Look at that. I don't know. Is it dye or is really like this? I'm not sure. I think they dyed the corn because look at this part is not purple, but this part purple. Oh yeah, they dyed the corn. They boil it with something purple, like a purple plant. Damn it, he treat me. I buy so much from him. My hand is purple. Oh, Labubu, no! I don't want my Labubu to get dirty, okay? I'm eating. Oh yeah, they dyed the corn. Fake. I'm a campaign. No sugar, no sweet, no nothing. And it doesn't taste good because it's like a hair dye. Takes on bezo too. You guys want some? Nát cái mẹ nó nhổm tay ha. Nó có bị purple corn nè, nó có bị purple but it's not purple, they dye. Xìa nắp cái mẹ. Béo ra nhanh. Nó nhổm tay im nha. Labubu, my daughter to give it to me. Thank you, Nessa. So cute. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.